Inventions, and Technology.
The Right-Line Gear Moki doorstep gives you easy access to your vehicle's roof. The patented doorstep is universal to all vehicles and works in both the front and rear doors. Simply hook the doorstep over one of the vehicle's U-shaped door latches. The doorstep's rubber bumper and coated hook protect your vehicle's door frame. Step up onto the doorstep 1 foot at a time using your hands to help raise your body weight. The Moki doorstep provides a comfortable platform for both feet and allows for a balanced standing position. Make sure to unhook the doorstep before you close the vehicle's door. Store the step in your vehicle's center console, glove box, or spare tire compartment when not in use. Use the doorstep to strap down car-top cargo bags and boxes, sporting equipment, or simply to wash your vehicle's roof. If you are short or your vehicle is tall, the Moki doorstep makes getting your gear on or off your roof a breeze.
Every year, 1 million cars in Europe and North America catch on fire. Therefore, we are happy to have developed the Bridge Hill Car Fire Blanket, the quickest, safest, and most effective solution to stamp out any car fire right away. Only 2 people are needed. Manufactured with extremely fire-retardant, 100% eco-friendly material, the lightweight 6x9 meter blanket handles extreme temperatures with ease. Simply drag it over the car and instantly choke out the fire. Putting out fire in electric cars with water may be extremely dangerous, as the water can conduct electricity from the high-voltage batteries. Gases from burning lithium batteries are quickly spread through the air through smoke and steam. High levels of hydrogen cyanide, hydrogen chloride, hydrogen fluoride, carbon monoxide, and carbon dioxide can be lethal to firefighters and bystanders when using water. The Bridge Hill blanket can lock it all in right away. It immediately locks down the fire, depriving it of oxygen. It prevents the fire from spreading. It blocks the smoke and prevents toxic fumes and smells transported by air, smoke, and steam from infecting the surrounding area. This saves a lot of repainting and repair needs in parking garages and tunnels. It produces no unnecessary pollution carried by water into the ground or air. And it protects you from hazardous voltage from electric cars. It is strongly recommended for the car fire blanket to be available at ferries, parking garages, car parks, tunnels, gas stations, electric charging stations, racetracks, marinas and harbors, industrial areas, and construction sites. It is also the smartest way to take out fires in containers. The blanket can be delivered alone, in a compact bag fitting easily in fire trucks and police vehicles, or it can be delivered in a custom cabinet for mounting on the wall of garages or tunnels.
Until now, conventional washers would blast the windshield with a tidal wave of spray, temporarily impeding your view at the very moment you're trying to improve it. With Magic Vision Control, the windshield wipers and washers are combined, replacing the conventional spray nozzles. Tiny laser-cut holes along each blade spray the fluid directly in front of the wipers as they sweep in either direction. As a result, washer fluid consumption is reduced by up to 50% over a conventional windshield wiper system. The entire system is heated year-round, giving you the ability to keep your view clear, cutting through any of the elements with ease. Even frost is melted away before your eyes. And intelligent controls know when the top is down to keep the fluid on the windshield and not in your car. Magic Vision Control cleans the windshield better without interrupting your view. It may be more science than magic, but it can make a dirty windshield disappear before your eyes.